aya boss yo uyu munsi ni party n'akaririmbo ka Costa Teach na Akon na The Arafat dutangira filime bahise ngo iki come out fighting soho kurwana hey okay yo Rota Sutra na Costa Teach ubu ni show ni party RIP to him oh yes oh baba oh yes Undi zini dozo dance zanjye hano mujya mvuga ngo ko tutakubona ubyina simba mbyina tuno tuntu ninenetse utwo buryo wowe tutangira filime bahise come out fighting ni za filime zisohoka rimwe mu myaka nk'ijana oya zisohoka gake cyane gashoboka banyita Geza banyita Cash Power banyita Simba sigaye ndi na Najuwe iki cyumweru ndi Najuwe oya iki cyumweru ndi Karasharamye aracyari Karasharamye wanyusha okay yo you wanna get older I would not gamble poker hangover she needs a makeover take over your girlfriend wants to stay close Costa I like for go to dance it kwanje wowe too much too clean and tall bondo don't foster serious and okay yo a big time player umuhehe sibihe byose ubundi tina sechem tunitko to dance twanje okay yo dutangira film bahise come out fighting abantu mu mazimiti muvuga ngo filime niziri ko none bareka mbanze mbabwire mbere yuko tunatangira hari ubu website maze ku mazimiti mbona ntazi yo buturuka ntazi niyo buturumbuka bari kwamamaza ibintu ntazi kuri abo website nubwo abamamye mu gihe cyose ntarababwira website mureberaho filime basi mupfe kuba muhereje ku gasobanefilms.com kantwikire reba muhungu nawe yiberewe ibindi bi website byose mbona bamamaza nibi website ntanazi iby'abamamye niba kurya nuka jendi nabonye hari abari kunsakuriza ngo Geza ngo twishyuye ku website ngo yitwa nimba ari 250 nimba XYZ ngo nta filime turi kubona ndababwira ahubwo baranakwica baya bose nabamamye nago mbazi ya byose nago mbyemba mbizi biriya website bababwira website yo gucururizaho vuba izindi babafera bari kini abantu mu maziminsi murekrama munyandikira cyangwa mukandikira abandi basobanuzi ngo nese ngo kuri website ko ntabonye filime zawe ngo kandi narishe ziriya website nizabamamye ntago nzizi too much to clean and talk don't foster serious and but that's always by some piano trip too big and trip too pin okay yo too hot like a heater my neck down froze like winter I'm pretty young liquor shades on the picture MJ on the shit thriller funny vibes every night I forget dance ubundi zine ana majina bapfuye ababigendeye umva wowe yes my babies are oh yes oh yes my babies are oh yes big check up with them period Sorry, dance. Forget. A couple of the It's gonna be a party. Turya show, turya party. Ubundi buri munsi birajya bigenda uku mubibona wowe. Oh yes, my babies are oh yes. Okay, yo.
She wanna sip mimosa, want to get a little bit closer, want to drop down a little lower, and want to drive my Range Rover.
Akon,
bipolar, I can barely control her. Lucky like 4-leaf clover, so flexible like in Polder. Yeah, composure. That's my guy Costa.
N'abantu mu maziminsi muvuga ngo filime zarabuze cyane cyane aba DJ. Ago muzo muzishakira filime zisoka buri munsi. Ufate nimero y'umuntu bita Hakimu mu muhamagare. 078 oya 073 40 76 889 Hakimu. Izi filime bazifite kugihe. Iyi niwe washoyemo kugira ngo filime mubibonere kugihe. Yashora imifungo ye. filime imwe ibihumbi nka 50 mukaza musakuza ngo filime zarabuze, filime zaburiye ko filime zihari. Okay yo. Uze guhamagara Hakimu aho uri hose mu Rwanda ushaka filime, waba uzishaka online, waba uzishaka iki agutamo.
Pull up in a beam.
Okay yo.
Too much too clean, I'm taller. Don't foster. Serious and daughter. A big time player. Trip too big and ganja.
Undi ngiye kubera nireshyereza na Costa Teach kubera tureshya twabyinaga bimwe ni kuriya nta mpamvu yo kwivuna wapi.
Liquor, Shades on the picture, MJ on the shit, thriller, funny vibes every night, enter, Nantalagati.
Okay, yo, Costa.
I kiss star like Foka, pull up in a beam, too much too clean, I'm taller, don't foster, serious and daughter, a big time player, a clip too big and ganja, I went, flexer, Tina said gym,
Costa Teach areshya gukwashaka ariko yakabyinaga nawe ukabyumva yabisokoza guko byogoshe.
MJ on the shit, thriller, funny vibes every night, enter.
Yo. Namamaze turye show noneho dukorere ku biceri kanzi. Aya boss. Ujama Phones Shop simwahamenye. Bagiye ubu basigaye badutangira ubuhamya barabizi. Abameze neza bipowe. Amafaranga make cyane ushobora gustana iPhone 14, 13, 12, 11, X ukayicyura 10. Wacyura Samsung S23 litra, S22 litra, S20, S21, A73, A53, A10 na kange zose izo telefoni zirari muri Rujama Phones Shop. Ikintu usabwa ni ikintu kimwe, wowe uragenda ukavugana na Rujama cyangwa ugahamagara nimero 078 nanone ni 82 77 37 nimero si muri kuzibona hasi. Cyo ukaba wamwandikira ku mbuga zabo nkoranyambaga, bari TikTok, abari Instagram, abari Twitter, hose ni Rujama Phones.
Ubuzima kuri ubu extra powerful
abo byajabutse mugende babatemo
mwa bose mukuvukinishije kwawushyize kuri promotion. Umwihariko wa extra power formula ni imbatura mugabo, ikaba umuti karundura mu kugarura akanyamuneza mu muryango. Uwayimenye ntayishidikanyaho cyangwa ngo ayigereranye kuko irihariye kubera ubudasa bwayo mu bushobozi. Naho ibyo kwikinisha n'ingaruka zabyo bisigara ari nk'umugani, hehe no kugenda uhungetwa, ubabara umugongo, uzunga isereri cyangwa se ubabara umutwe. Nimutugane tubafashe. Ukorera mu Gatsata, wanaduhamagara kuri nimero zacu 0786 04 04 36.
Abavuzi gakondo
aho sha publicité yanjye igiye mu wundi
kungwara za
agaho kabagahuye n'umunyutsi
tikabariwe ikomeye kandi bakaba ari n'aba
Dr. Aida barakuroza ucuruzo
amakungwara
babibyimba mu nda gute, sinezite, asima, igicuri
ndetse yanga Aida kuva muri Tanzania agufasha ku ndwara ufite yananyanya
umva indwara avura rikunda bari show
agufasha mu ndwara zikurikira
aho sha aho aho
ibibyimba mu barakwibye ucuruza homa, urwaye asma, mufitanye amakimbirane mu muryango, ntubyara, ushaka kongera ubugabo, nta bushake ugira mu gihe cyo gutera akabariro, n'izindi ndwara nk'umutima, umutwe udakira, kuva cyane ntukame ku bagore, gute, sinezite, igicuri, imitsi, imitezi, urushwima, kutajya mu mihango kw'abakobwa n'izindi nyinshi tutavuze hejuru.
Wadusanga aho dukorera Karuruma hagati y'umusigiti n'Akagera Motor ku gahanda kajya Ijari muri metero 30 gusa. Uzahasanga icyapa cyanditseho Aida Herbalist cyangwa ugahamagara kuri izi nimero zikurikira 078 99 22 250 cyangwa 072 23 72 610.
Dr. Aida.
Yo. Sibyo chicken soup reka ntangiriye muri Karinaris Redbox .entertainment Analiza Empire Gaheza Simba Cash Power VMI Worldwide studios bari nyinshi. Studio yangu wambwa mukwiye kumenya Analiza Empire Gaheza Simba Shuzi Company Productions. Yari basoma Shuzi, ni Shuzi. Tangire hakuno. Filime kuno tuyitangiye. Filime yishyuwe n'umuntu bita Hakimu, abantu mureba filime online muramuzi neza cyane 5/5. Mu gihe muzanyandikira mukambura mujye mwandikira Hakimu. Ubwire nimero za Hakimu 073 40 76 889. Mwana amavuta atangiye kuncura ariko harimo hagije yadusubiza kuri base. Yego mwana arimo tu arimo hakuno n'abana batwaye indege Sukhoi. Mwana ndabona indege itari buze gusubirayo tu hakuno. Filime witonze bahise ngo come out fighting. Hari uburyo bumwe bwonyene bwo gusubiza iyi ndege mwana. Yego Mike we ariko ndacyafite mu benzine kandi urakoze kunyibutsa nanone umusa. Jemba ndi gukora akazi kanje just doing my job. Hakuno filime sana ari mwana reka dukata dusubireyo. Let's head back. Roger that. Bana bakata indege basubiye kuri base bisa nkaho bari muri patrol cyangwa kuri patrouille. Bakata indege ni za ndege zinambara z'iyo myaka. Kwereka hakuno ko bakaza basubije indege hehe kuri base. Hari gari ya moshi yacaga hakuno. Gari ya moshi ya gisirikare paki bitwaro. Mwana uzi n'ikindi Mike? Iriya gari ya moshi iri hasi. Giye kuyidepasa mpita nyishyira hasi. Hakuno bana baba bari kuri patrouille. Filime witonze bahise come out fighting. Nibyo zina rya filime. Roger that nari umusa ariko gira faster. Benzine iri kudushira nanjye iri kunshiranira gahunda utuje hakuno. Sawa mwana niyo mpamvu ubwiye ngo tugire bonyine n'imbiri kudushirana bana bapfayo. Tegeze iyo myaka tegeze urugamba. Filime ni ya Hakimu simumuzi. Hakuno banza turi tumuhanda wa gari ya moshi gwa gari ya moshi renga umuhanda. Nuko filime tuyitangiye gari ya moshi renga umuhanda ipakiye intwaro ipakiye ibiki n'ibiki byose za tanka burendi zirirenga. Kandi ubw'indege iba yakomeje kayijugura iba yakomeje. Mwana niyo mpamvu njye nkunda guturitsa za gari ya moshi. Ewana yo just in time. Mwana tuyirasiye kugiye just in time. Dukubise tubangura bahita bakata indege berekeze kuri base. Ubu indege mu rugamba irindwa mu Roger that umusa. Tugire bataragira bakagira batabaco. Gusa benzine irenda kubashirana. Rebe kumbuko bari kugenda raka yababonye drone y'ikirere. Iyi ni imigi y'ikirere mu kirere irindwa mu bito ko bari kugenda babona ifoto wa mbere muri tagati. Fire masasu. Mike bamukubise icyo bita urusoro. Drone itikomereza. Iyi ni mbi irindwa mubi mu rugamba. Za Sukhoi birwa bakatisha mu kirere cy'abandi. Sukhoi bajya kuzikoramo imbabura. Harya indi barasiru baveje mu Sukhoi bajya kuyikoramo imbabura. Hakuno si yari imeze gutya. Se Sukhoi Deje nuko yahanutse yarababaye. Mugenzi we bamushyize hasi bamukubise ikintu cyitwa urusoro kandi nayo drone iracyamuriho. Drone nakubwiye ngo irindwa mubi bamusharuraho. Benzine yitangira kumenya hari hanasigemo gace cyane. Mayday over. Inirita bro over. Mayday Deje muzima na mu kirere. Kandi drone muri inyuma hanira gukubita zigakamwa zitanye. Hanira gucinya babyita kugucinya ubundi. Iragukubita no kikakurenga. Drone irazima. Gira gutya bashaka kwishutura sinzi. Drone muturuka imbere iramutera. Engeka indege. Drone imanyura moteri. Gwa yayimanyuje ibaba rya moteri. Bose bajyane hasi basi. Hakuno agasani. Nuko filime tuyitangiye. Hakimu menye yanzaniye filime ya danger. Hakuno rebe Hey! Funguye parashite. Come out fighting. Sohoka ariko uzurwana. Sohoka uzurwana. Vayo turwane mu magambo make ni nyirankabari umwana nkawe. Red Box Release presents Analiza Empire PMI Worldwide presents ni karasharamye muvugana urumva. Riano Productions tubonga tugaruke hakuno. Karen Lutz ndaza kumubereka. Mura ndaza kumubereka social murayonye hakuno. Dolph Green muramuzi ni icyamamara umwana w'intambara. Michael J. White muramuzi yagukiniye za Blood and Bones mifupa ako ayisubiramo we. Tyrese Gibson nyirumudoma muri Fast and Furious muramuzi. Come out fighting. Wina ari kuzurwana. Weditinze filime bamwita Seven Maestro. Galen Smith McDinnon hakuno. Bari kugenda. Hey! Filime isohoka rimwe mu myaka nka senkisa. Sinababwiye ngo nta filime mbi nzaba. Aho kugira ngo bahereze filime mbi rero. Sibye ko atari niyanjye. Yinjiye umuntu wayishyuye bamwita Hakimu. Yishyuranye n'ikindi gihinde kimwe. Ubu mukanya nacyo ndabatama. Hey! Se kuga 50k yishyuye siyemereye filime ebyiri si nyinshi koko.
How much further you reckon these white soldiers are?
Should be just up ahead.
Mwana harabura igihe kingari kigo tugeraho bari abasirikare b'abazungu baracyari imbere hariya. Mwe muhamagare Hakimu kuri 07 4076 abahe filime kugi. Abandi bose ni imbeba nagomba mbazi. Wapi?
Bury them at night.
Hari abandi jya niyumvishka ngo ducuruza filime online. Baririmbyi.
If the mines don't kill us, you're driving well.
Mujige wadutwaye neza ukareka kugenda dusimbukisha ibinogo.
Salter, that's exactly what I'm worried about.
Chema ngikishijwe n'ukuntu twara mujige.
Can't drive worth a damn.
Ain't my fault these roads are hard as hell on the training.
Nane kara amakosa yanjye ariko nibi binogo biri muri iyi mihanda.
Just keep us straight and true.
We komeza utware utuje nta kindi ngusabye. Yo check yo.
That's exactly what I'm worried about because you can't drive.
Nicyo kimpangayikishije mwana.
Worth a damn.
Ntabwo watwara neza.
Hard as hell on the training.
Nane kara amakosa yanjye ni ibinogo biri muri uyu muhanda ariko.
True.
Ngakomeza utware.
Let's do, Lieutenant.
Niko ari kwiteka babimeze rito na nge nditware nta kindi. Hakuno. Sorry.
You figure this is the last minefield we're gonna have to clear before we push into Bellicor?
Well, Army don't like losing tanks.
Hakuno rebe.
Yeah.
Sawa.
Let's send in the dark-skinned brothers. They don't mind losing us.
Cyiza bari abaginga tubarusha n'uruhu rwiza ni ntago batugarukira.
Crackers in the back of the bus.
Ntago bakwihangana batubuze na kosori.
Ain't no
Igira icyaza ariko boss.
So we're trained to do, gentlemen. I'm just glad we're in the fight.
Twatorejwe gukora ikimwa. Gihe cyiza nuko mbacimishijwe nuko turwana.
Hell yeah.
Sawa.
Yeah.
Yego hell yeah.
Bless this jeep and get us safely through this minefield.
Iyi modoka ubwo idufashe tugezeyo turenge muri izi minefield.
My enemy who strives to vanquish our divine mission to restore
Mbere yuko umwanza tubona akadukubitira mu mavi.
some prosperity in your
Tugende tugarura amahoro mwana bagiye mu butumwa bw'akazi.
Amen.
Yeah.
And Lord, please provide us safe passage in salvation.
Mwana wa tubabari ukazugezeyo tujyanye koko ni nkanjye nicaye kuri vola.
Amen.
Amen.
I don't think it's how the
Mwana umusa.
Lord works.
That's why we find them and disassemble them.
Ntabwo rega bari ngombwa ngo ubone ibisasu niyo mpamvu tubiga twe tukabivana mu nzira. Sawa.
Bury them at night.
Bari abaginga b'abadage babishyingura nijoro.
White boys don't like that finding them at night stuff.
Niyo mpamvu n'abazungu batabikuraho.
Salter, if the mines don't kill us, you're driving.
Wa muginga n'ubundi na za mine nizitadwica natwe uburyo utwaye biratwica.
Salter, that's exactly what
Bigira ikibazo.
because you can't drive.
Cyo nicyo kimpangayikishije.
Worth a damn.
Ntabwo watwara neza kigwa ryo utwara nka gaheze iyo yicaye kuri vola. Intambara ziravuka ejo bundi.
Do, Lieutenant.
Ikuteka nge ntwara mbyiteho Liyetona. Hakuno. Igisirikare cy'abirabura ariko b'Abanyamerika.
You figure this is the last minefield we're gonna have to clear before we push into
Ebe.
Bellicor?
Well, Army don't like losing tanks.
Mwana biraza kutugora mbere yuko twirukana ba Belcour.
Yeah.
Yego.
Let's send in the dark-skinned brothers. They don't mind losing us.
Icyiza nuko bahereza twabirabura mwana. Kutubura mu rugamba tugapfa ntacyo biba bibatwaye. Bari kuvuga abazungu.
Ain't no fair you wanna ride.
So we're trained to do,
Shaka gutwara.
gentlemen.
Muginga
I'm
watorejwe.
just glad we're in the fight.
Jene ushema no kurwana nicyo twatorejwe. Sibyo mwana. Hey yo. Michael J. White turamubona.
Safely through this minefield. Help us strike down an enemy who strives to vanquish our divine mission.
Kiza tuve hano muri izi minefield bari ahantu nyine bwa butaka wabutezemo za landmine.
Prosperity in your mighty kingdom.
Tugere mu bwami bwacu bukomeye.
And Lord, please provide us safe passage and
Mana yacu, Mana y'isinisho dufashe utugeze amahoro, ubuntu bwawe bubane natwe. Dutware neza. Amen.
We're supposed to work in a mysterious way.
Yeah.
Mana ngikora mu buryo budasanzwe da muri mysterious way. Sibyo? Yego nyine yego. Hano n'utwaye ariko atwaye nabi. Atwaye nabi. Yewe. Nubwo rwose. Hakuno. Ebe. Ageze hano. Abirabura baje mu gisirikare cy'abazungu kuno. Hakuno rere.
You guys wait here.
Mwe mutegerereza hano ndaje. You guys wait me here. Ndaje sha. Ebe. Hakuno. Sirikare.
Can I help you? Yes.
Gufashe. Yego Liyetona.
You're late.
Wakererewe.
Sorry, sir.
Barenya ko.
This mine needs to be disposed.
Iki gisasu kiri hano turashaka ko mugitegurura. Yego nyakuba.
My job.
Nako niko kazi kanjye. Nanjye ndabizi.
Do you think I know it?
Urakeka mbizi se? Yego nyakuba.
We'll take care of it.
Naza kukita icyo gisasu ntaribi.
You
Hakuno n'abasirikare.
and cleared this area for any enemy?
Ndagira ngo hano hantu none siko muri kuhatunganya n'ukubera.
Yep.
Hari umwanzi mwafite yego.
Do you think we'd be here if it wasn't cleared?
Urakeka twari kuba dukora icyane iyo hataza kuba hatarimo ibisasu?
Just get this cleared, Lieutenant, and then we
Tuna wevanamo icyo gisasu. Tubone uko tuvana tugende nyine dukomeza urugendo. Hakuno ngo harimo ibisasu.
Are we clear?
Turumvikana nje nawe. Are we clear? Yego fandi. Hakuno. Ikipe y'abirabura bo bategurura ibisasu za landmines baba bagendana nazo cyane. Hakuno. Ariko barabizi ko abazungu ngo nta mpwe babafite. Buriya niyo mpamvu nje ndi umufana wa Rukara rwa Bishingwe intahana batatu rwa Semukanya nyir'urugero uvuga nk'indamutsa kuva mu nkomane za hey. Hakuno. Hey. Bangabo ko bahagaze hari hakurya bagiye gutegurura abari kubabona. Tukire bataragira mwana. Hey. Hakuno.
Everything we have. Go.
Nimba ari umudage nimba ari kimwe mu tukire mbereka. Bana bazamura imbunda. Dore icyo bita umututu w'imbunda. Hey. Uratse. Shiramo ibisasu. Dore igikoresho. Bana b'abasirikare. Hakuno. Hey. Baje gutegurura mini irimo hano ngo yafunze inzira ku buryo bari ababuza aho baca. Harimo za landmine. Harimo za landmine hano.
It's gonna be looking too happy.
Nyir'umudamu. Niwera ni Tyrese Gibson mbonye. Hano bazungu ko mbona batishimye.
White folks ain't that bad.
Wese washimishwa n'icyano urabona ari iki gishimishije. Sawa? Izo cyane. Hakunoza gutegura landmine.
Found it.
Yakibanye igisasu mwana.
Mark the blow.
Ni ya Tolamine.
Oh, we're gonna blow it.
Tugiye kwituritsa rero kujya dukomeza.
Sir.
Sati.
1 pound of HG.
1 pound HG.
Sir.
Ubwoko bw'igisasu. Sati. Yego nyakuba. Mbico batazi aruba pite do. Faya! Batara! Tegurura ibisasu. Bico bita umwato. Faya! Sasu! Sasu! Bico bita isasu. Bitara yeze ziranihira twaje ntwari twaze. Hey! Nanu ziri cyedi tugere. Amashini gani! Mashini gani! Haguruka mujige w'ibikigori. Uri ku mutwe. Hey! Bico bita amashini gani biraseka. Hey! Umvaga twenge ka mashini gani. Umvaga twenge ka mashini gani. Mwana tugomba kujya kumufasha. Tujya gufasha Sati ni mugenzi wabo wari wagiye gutegurura igisasu kireba taragira bakagira mwana hakuno. Babana bari message command mwana usuri kindi tugiye kwataka ya going to attack. Tujye kwataka tugira noneho. Nitumara kugira bagira tutaragira. Mwebwe muri babiri rugira gutya. Bana bahita bagira rimwe. Bari message command batumva neza cyane undi naye kuri machine gani. Umbica bitumututu w'imbunda. Gwa yiwe, fata AK47 yiwe. Hey, hakuno ni muri landmine, utaka harimo za landmine do. Genda nabi, hano usigara, hano ugize ibyago urayikandagira irakujabura. Hakuno uzamuturikiye mu matwi. Hey, hakuno umusore zamuturikiye mu matwi zirayamena. Tangiye kureba agafoto ka Shushu Bey ka nyina wa Jambo we, bandi ni ba nyina wa Bango. Ndetse yamuterese bimugoye, none utuniga turaza tuje gutereta, karaza n'urutwe kareteta wa mugani wa Dani. Nanone hakuno fata grenade. Yehe, gira tugira bataragira bana bahita batakira rimwe kandi mwabazimya station. Tugiye gutatana hanyuma tubakubitire mu cyuho.
Understand?
Nta kumanika amaboko muranyumva yego nyakubaho. Yesa hakuno. Hey, ayemba nifite Shushu Bey none kaniga karaza n'urutwe kareteta kaje gutere. Hakuno ebe hakuno baje kumuvanayo, cyari cyarenze umufana.
Everything okay, sir?
Ibintu byose bimeze neza nyakubahwa n'abafande. Bimeze sawa, bimeze sawa. Hakuno. Hey, urusaku n'urwiki. Ibazuka, bazuka munzaniye bazuka hano mbereke. Elison hakuno, shyira hakuno bazuka. Mwana tugiye kugenda duce mu ferege muhite murasa muranyumva. Kire tugira bataragira none bakagira tugahita tunagira. Hakuno nimba bwira ngo tugire ngo gahunda arabari on my mark. Murase ngo uhushe gatatu kabiri bahisha amatwi. Mwana tuzamuka over the top, bana bahita bazamuka kandi birukanga. Hakuno faster nk'abazimya station nk'abenda umusazi bundi yaguhaye ugira vuba atarisubira utarajagura. Hakuno to yakuba signal abatama grenade yapu. Hakuno to faya mashini gani. Hakuno abanabo batereka mashini gani. Hakuno bita stand hano therapy torisheni ya mashini gani. Faya hardui bamukoze makasto. Faya bana hakuno. Bana hakuno haduye bamukoze makazi shamu kanya nkako guhumbya. Reptilime sikiriwe tukire bataragira bakakira tukanagira ariko duhite tunagira banagire batazagira ngo ebe. Hakuno hey,
Hands up!
maboko hejuru.
I said hands up!
Ndavuze ngo amaboko hejuru. Manika agatambaro k'umweru hariya bamanitse amaboko.
Hands. Let me see them right now.
Amaboko yose ndashaka kuyabona none hejuru. Hey, listen. Gatinze abantu urugamba bararwirwaniye wabangaye. None ukuntu abirabura ariko tuba tudasanzwe, tuba turi aba legend. Tuba turi abantu badanje baratuza, ariko twebwe ni Yerusalemu bundi. Abariyo gahunda twe baratuza. Hakuno basa yo kurya baraza bakarya igikomando, n'ukurya udushyimbo utuntu tw'impungure. To ni ibyo kandi ntago byarenga. Mwana ibi nibi.
Like go shit.
bimeze nk'aho ari amase y'imbata mwana ntabwo nabirya njyewe
I ain't seen you eat all day.
njyewe ntabyo narya byarutwa nkabwirirwa umunsi wose njyewe ntabyo narya
That's even worse. Stop it. Stop.
tangira kwisaza hakuno nta bimame namwe abajinga hakuno rebe robineto nizo za dushe nizo byose gusa yuko ari habuze gato rimwe ritanga abiri ajano sirikare ni Liyetona ufite agatwe kameze shenge nk'ibubura do ufite umutwe uteye neza nk'uwa bidiye mutwe bidiye mwe mujya mubona uriya mutwe watari uw'iterabwoba iyo bavuze ngo umutwe w'iterabwoba n'uriya baba bavuze ubundi kinda bari kwitekereza shushu be wiwe
If what I could found some real egg.
mwana ubu nta hantu umuntu yabona amagi ya nyayo kweri do ajana
You did right.
wakoze fresh mwana
But sometimes when you're right, you're wrong, and when they're wrong, they're right.
gusa rimwe na rimwe iyo uzi kuri mukuri uba wibeshya kandi iyo uzi ko wibeshya hari igihe usanga uri mukuri abandi aribo bibeshya ahubwo
We got no control over it. I figured the best we could do is not fear it. We got no control over it. I figured the best we could do is
mwana ntago tuba dufite kontrole y'ibintu byose ariko hari icyo tuba twabikoraho tugakomeza tukajya imbere
forward.
mwana
The rest of the cards, they have to fall where they fall.
ubundi ikarita yawe yanyuma uyikina ari uko ubona ko byanze umve amagambo
Way to fight a war.
byanze bikunze ufite uburyo uri burwanemo intambara umve abasirikare babuze gatuye kare yarapfuye muri landmine bamurasheho umuriro
Stole myself.
amagi ya nyayo yengeye harayo n'ibye ebe hakuno sirikare baba bari muri kampu ugamba iki n'iki kandi uba ugomba kuturya uko utubonye agatsima ka kawunga karimo amazi gashigishe nk'agakoma karenzamo impunguru kavangitiranya n'ibiki byose
It's all right.
Hell yeah.
mwana ya nama jyanyo cyane da mubeshye se hakuno bana sirikare
Put your name forward for the battlefield commission.
mwana ubutaye izina ryawe uzarikira imbere ariko nitujya mu rugamba nawe wigaragaza
Why is that?
kubera iki se
Because the army needs good black officers.
kubera yuko mu gisirikare basikeneye abafande babiraburerega ariko njyewe
That's right, Red.
niko kuri red ameta red byo ngusabye nawe wabyiga ubu iyo ugiye imbere mu rugamba n'abafande abagaba bakuru batanga amapeta arakubona akavuga turiya mwana yarwanye neza sha mu muhemba kana bagashyira ku rutugu babyita inyota
Thank you.
bakagushyiraho inyota
Look, you don't have to accept it, but you do.
mwana ntabwo ari ngombwa ngo byakire ariko urabikwiriye wabyanga wabyemera tekerezeho zungu aramucira reba ikigoryi cy'umuzungu kiba kimucira ariko
Loot officers.
weterera isari afande ikizungu
I don't believe you heard the lieutenant.
nizere ko wumvishe Liyetona ibyo akubwiye wamushenze
We don't salute Negroes.
ntabwo tujya duterera saramaniga mwana ba Negroes mwe muri inkende zo muri Afurika
Salute the color of a man's skin.
we ntabwo ipeturi salute ntabwo isaruri iterera uruhu rw'umuntu yambaye uriterera ipeti yambaye
Lieutenant,
uraterera isari Liyetona cyangwa ukuri ryinyo arabana nyine ugomba kubana namukubita respect aramubanira ko abarimo n'akantu k'akajinyori kiruze kiti nge ntabwo njya nterera isarama Negroes man banafitemo akantu ka racism do
so hard.
ibyo byari bikomeye wamushenze was that so hard
Get back to work!
murareba ibiki mwabajiga mwe musubire mu kazi sikigariwe ya nyine abamutereye isari kubera kanamurusha n'akantu k'agapeti nubwo ari umwirabo ni Liyetona Dolph Lundgren uramubona arinjira arabana hey
Sergeant.
Liyetona Sergeant
Well, I'm up my elbows in logistics for a push into Mets.
iyo mini nkokora yanjye bari abajinga babanazi baramvangira
Seems the curve is put together.
se ngaho za bato zacu zose ziri kurugenderamo
Party for some crashed fighter pilot. Can you believe that?
hari abapilote bacu bakoze impanuka bari kuza
Sir.
wabyizera
Hoping you have that scouting report on the blue sector.
Yes, sir.
bari muri blue sector yego nyakubahwa
Zone blue is clear.
zone blue is clear hano bimeze neza
We double our push from green into blue. We can clear
biraza kudusaba ko tugenda tukazenguruka hano tugakata tujya muri zone blue
those lines without any issue, sir.
nta kibazo duhuriyeyo nacyo hariya nyakubahwa
Protect Mets from the north.
protect mates from northeast
Best route, sir.
mugende mubarinde yego nyakubahwa gusa umuhanda mwiza twacamo n'uyu nguyu bimwereka ahantu hose iki byose hey
One of my best, Lieutenant.
niweriye tona mwiza nigeze ngira urakoze fani
I heard you had trouble out there.
numvishe ngo hariya hanze byigeze kukuzambara
Ambush on us.
bariya bajinga b'abadage baduteza mbushi baraduhundagura
King guns and mortars.
bari bafite tanka 80 guns za machine gun moto bari bazifite
We cleared the sector.
abagabo nka 50 cyangwa 60 ariko twaje kubikemura nyakubahwa byiza
Well, I meant to address both of you up front about a few things.
muze ngira utuntu dukeya mbereka rero kubera ko ngiye kubahereza kandi kazi mugiye gukora
I received the paperwork for your battlefield command.
nakiriye paperwork cyangwa se ibyo mwakoze hariya shaka kuri battlefield
Congratulations, Sergeant.
felicitation sergeant yego
I don't know what the Army is going to say. It's not very common for them to approve a commission like that.
sinzi nimba mu gisirikare bari buze kubyemera ariko komisiyo nk'iriye nyine nawe ugomba kuyihemberwa
But after
Jumbo nyakubahwa
paperwork up to
muzi ngo ndashimbogo ngo mvuze misiyo ari komisiyo kansubiza inyuma mu byumve none
division with my recommendation. You certainly deserve it.
urabikwiriye nawe ukwiye akantu k'akanyenyeri
Sir.
urakoze nyakubahwa
Now,
rero
I'm going to have to be straight with you, Lieutenant.
reka nkubwize ukuri nawe liyetona
Division has reassigned you pending an investigation into your conduct during yesterday's mission.
Investigation?
diviziyo bagiye gukora iperereza ku buryo witwaye ejo uri mu kazi muri misiyo bagiye kugukora iperereza
Pin the blame for that German ambush on you.
hari abantu bavuze ngo iriya mbusha abadage badutayemo ngo yari yatewe nawe
Sir,
nyakubahwa
that ain't it at all.
ntabwo ari uko bimeze
It was them white soldiers that didn't do their job.
ni abazungu batagiye ngo bakore akazi kabo neza white soldiers ni abasirikare b'abazungu batakoze akazi kabo neza
Major Anderson, with all
Major Anderson.
due respect, sir,
mu byubahiro
I
byanyu
did my job.
cy'ejo nakoze akazi kanjye nagombaga gukora
Right. Look.
ibi bintu ntabwo ari ukuri umva
It's not. You give me 3 or 4 days.
mumereze iminsi 3 cyangwa
This charge is dismissed.
ndaza gushaka uburyo ibyo birego bari kukurega ngo ejo warajenjetse byabaye mu kazi babivanaho
And, sir,
hanyuma se abagabo banje
Then
banyakubahwa
we'll have a chance to show what kind of officer he can be.
turaza kwereka redi uko biraza kuba bigenda
What?
redi niwe urabayoboye
I don't like
oya redi oya
What I can do.
simbyitayo wowe ugiye kuba uyoboye abasirikare
Report to command post 8. On
ni hehe ngiye kwitaba report to command post 8
the other side of camp. They'll take you back to division. We'll reassign.
nibo bari buze kukubwira ikindi uri buze gukurikizaho uri bukore ibyo bisa nk'aho bamusezereyemo ukuntu ejo yitwaye nabi mu kazi n'iki byose
We'll fight this and we'll win.
turaza kurwana intambara kandi turayitsinda
yes, sir.
kandi umutwe wawe uba uhagaze yego liyetona yesa hakuno osani
Sorry about that, sir.
babarire ku bibaye nyakubahwa
Hey,
we
don't even worry about it.
ntunabigire ikibazo mwana
I need you to take care of the men.
nagira ngo wite ku bagabo banjye ngiye kugusigira
It's yours as they are mine.
ni abasirikare bawe nk'uko nanjye ari abanjye uranyumva
Fill you in when I get back.
kandi ningaruka nzagusimbura fresh ndabizi sawa
Take care. Thanks.
amahirwe n'imigisha sawa hakuno amazina nyakuri bamwita Michael J. White yarazikiniye yagukiniye Triple batatu bakanganye yagukiniye Undisputed zose hafi ya zose zirimo Rwana na Mutebutsi yagukiniye Blood and Bone naje kureba hakuno bana hakuno
See you again, Lieutenant.
yiza kongera kukubona liyetona kirongera gicira hasi
You just don't learn, do you?
do you think you're
ako ntabwo ujya wiga
doing?
kiye kurakora ibiki liyetona kiye kurakora ibiki
Sir, it's not what it looks like.
afande ntabwo uko ubibona ariko
Do you understand English, Lieutenant?
ako liyetona bumva icyongereza baba bafite ibintu bya rasism yego ndacyumva
That's better.
byiza cyane none
Captain.
This is the one.
N'uyu nguyu captain. Ye n'uyu nguyu.
It's been giving you boys all this trouble.
N'uyu nguyu wiri wateza abantu ibibazo.
Did I ask?
Wewe ziba ari kuziba.
Lieutenant?
Hari ikintu nkubajije Liyetona? Ikintu nkubajije?
Now the army may have given you that rank, but that don't mean shit to me. Or my boys.
Mwana kuba mu gisirikare baguha ipeti ntibivuga ko usuzugura njye cy'abasirikare bawe.
Place in the back.
Wowe uzi umwanya wawe hariya inyuma, jya ugenda uguma inyuma kandi ubyishimire, tw'abazungu tugenda imbere. Aranamubanira.
Sir.
Yego nyakubahwa, maze ndore ko ari icyo bikumarira. Ubanira. Muri abirabura tugira kamere yo kubaha muri twe. Cya kintu kivuye kiranamukoma. Ariko nje baduhatere. Tu! Ndakayaga gato ariko karuhamye ubwato. Tekereje warababara. Ebye ukuntu abasivili abasirikare arusha amapeti baba bamusuzugura ngo kuko ari abazungu gusa. Kinga yarabarebye. Shaho. Fuye yababaye nawe.
I've seen that face before.
Iyo sura nigeze nyibona na mbere. Cyagenze
next.
Everybody.
Noneho tugiye kujya. Mwese mwumve. Mwese mwumve. Listen up. Everybody listen up. Mwumve mwese mwigire hano. Babwire.
There's no right way to say this, so I'm just gonna say it.
Ntago nari nemere kubivuga ariko reka mbivuge. Sibyo?
Lieutenant Hayes has been temporarily reassigned to division.
Nagira mbabwira ngo Liyetona wari utuyoboye babaye bamuhagaritse by'igihe gito.
Temporarily.
Tuze by'igihe gito. Bamuhora ikiza.
Pending an investigation.
Ngo pending an investigation bari mu iperereza nyine tubari kumwigaho. Basani. Oya.
Now Hayes can handle himself.
Waraza kubikemura nta kibazo kibiri.
For long he'll be back.
Mbere yuko tunatinda hano saba yagaruka.
We're not going to disappoint him when he returns. Oh.
Rero mureke twereke umutengo azagaruka asanga uko yadusize ariko turi.
Yego saje. Field radio's cleaned and working by the end of the day.
Ndakiranga akazi mugakomeze radio muzihanagure.
Understand? Yes sir.
Yego nyakuba muranyu mva Yes afande. Kora kazi. Hey.
You boys heard the sergeant. Let's get back to work.
Mwese mwumvishe sergeant dusubire mu kazi.
No, I'm serious.
Shara arwane umwana nje ndi seri. Hakuno. Hey. Ebe. Hakuno. Haje kureba kuri za mapu za gisirikare.
Damn it.
Kigali we. Kibazo ki?
Something's not right.
Hari ikintu kitameze neza.
Division a long time ago.
Twakabaye twari twabonye division yacu igihe cyashize nyuma. Hakuno yicariye hano. Liyetona bana musuzuguye bigeze abadanji.
Hey gents!
Basare!
Bitch.
Iriya nyana yimbwa.
I'm familiar with the area.
Hano nje ndamenyera ariko.
I can help.
Mubishatse mwareka nkafasha.
Killed like those other soldiers you.
Wa mushenze watwicisha nk'abo wicishije ejo uvuga ngo ugiye kubafasha.
On my watch.
Mu gihe cyose nkiyoboye wapi? Aso.
Get on the radio.
Rero zanira icyombo.
Hell we are.
Umenye ngo turi hehe. Genda uvugire ku cyombo umenye ahantu turi. Hakuno arabihorera. Aripoye. Baba mufunganye umutwe ngo kuko ari umwirabura shenge. Hakuno do. Hey. Spetsnaz abayipoye hakuno. Dodge.
Yeah.
Mike Devian wo muri UN yego. Turakeka turi muri sector 378.
Our current location we believe to be 52 degrees north, latitude.
Tangira kubarangira abasirikare baduduye bari
Americans.
N'abanyamerika cyane rwose. Ndasubiramo over.
Americans.
Abanyamerika.
Load ups are half tracks. Chill.
Jawohl!
Jawohl!
Vuga mu kidaji. Bana bitegure baje mu rugamba. Hakuno banabo. Asigaye bari gukurura hakuno.
What's going on?
Shiri kujya mbere.
We working.
Siba ariko turi mu kazi.
What?
Kuki?
I said shut up.
Ndavuze ngo siba.
Sergeant, I know it was you.
Mumbare afande sinarinzi kari wowe.
I can't find a frequency if you all keep flapping your lips.
Mwese nimukomeza gusakuza nago ndi bufate sinyari mwaba cyo.
Going on?
Shiri kujya mbere.
Taylor Hayes being reassigned, right?
Yeah.
Well,
Bavuze kari we bahaye inshingano
he
ye.
got his hands on some radio frequency codes. It sounds like the boys in
Rero hari frequency za code za radio tuba dukeneye gukurura.
sort of trouble.
Gusa nkaho bari abahungu ahantu bagiye bashobora kuba bari mu bibazo turi kumva frequency z'ibyombo ziri guhamagarana zinyuranamo. Iki?
Give me that.
Herezano numva. Afande. Hakuno. Hey! Abaho bari ntibanahazi ntibazi ko umudage abafite. Umudage amaze kumenya gufata amakuru y'ahantu bari. Ebe. Shiraho. Urusaku rwa moteri aripowe. Yiriyeto nawe yarasubiye ku kigo. Rangije agira gutya.
God damn it, get back to your vehicle.
Whoa! We subira mu modoka wa mushenzi. We buretse ariko. Ntago muri kubyuka. Bakiraho! Kiva mu modoka. Mudage abazengurutse. Mudage arabafite. Mudage arabafite. Bitico biti sasu. Sasu rya mu gitondo yakanyagwa red one. Ini cyari kari cyenda over. We under attack twatatswe. Turi mu mashyamba. Ndasubira mu over tujye gusura mu mashyamba twatatswe over. Basari. Ha! Aba babyumva basigaye ku kigo. Sinikindi. Hakuno. Mashyamba. Fire! Sasu! Hey! Sasu! Yasibyara sarasiki. Rasarasiki. Ararasarasiki. Hakuno. Zakuri machine gun. Machine gun. Hey! Shiramo. Fana mashiramo. Bita. Machine gun. Mudaje. Ukora amakazi. Kigali we. Vuga mu kitaje nago nyumva. Shiramo. Jabashiramo. Hey! Fire! Yapu! Shinigani bayishize hasi. Fandi hano. Fandi. Major. Sergeant.
Sir.
Yakuba.
Sir.
Wumvishije ambush.
Go rescue him.
Tujye kubatabara.
Can't be sure anyone made it out alive.
Ituzi nimba hari nabarokotse muri bo.
If there's a possibility he might be alive,
ariko abaye hari amahirwe ashobora kuba akiri
muzima. Got to go get it.
Tugende tumugarura.
The authority to send out a rescue party at this time.
Ntago nafata inshingano zo kukohereza hanze ngo mujye gutabara abandi ariko nyakuba.
Just we cannot go charging off for some rescue operation.
Ntago ibi bintu twabihagarika dushaka ukuntu dukora rescue operation tujye kubatabara fa.
City to take and a war to win.
We dufite umujyi wo kujya kurwanira tukawufata n'intambara yo gutsinda. Ariko nyakuba.
Hayes is a smart man.
Nta kintu twakora. Hayes ni umugabo w'umuhanga.
You'll find a way to make it back.
N'abakiri muzima rasa gushobora icyo yigarura. Ataranavuga bahita bamubanira ubwo ni nk'abakubwiye ati ngaho sohoka genda. Safande. Nk'abakubwiye ati ngaho sohoka caho genda. Hey! Kibazo. Kumbe Hayes ari hakuno. Wa mushenzi wari wamubangamiye. Oya.
Easy, Lieutenant.
Orohamo Lieutenant.
Think about it.
Bitekerezo ni ukuri. Cyo cyamubangamiye kuva kare. Kwino hano warugora iki? Fayo sibucufayo. Siki. Taraza bahita bamutamo. Faya! Mutaje! Samuel zisasu ryo gatuza rakamena. Yabona ko ari ugukizwa n'amaguru ariyo gahunda ikurikiye. Abona ko gahunda ikurikiye ari ugukizwa n'amaguru. Tinzu genze gacyano umudage arakona kandi umudage agufashe. Ntamwe nta nimbabazi. Hey. Aya. wa mwana nawe indege yagwanye. Filime itangira muri buku mu ndege yagwanye. Wa musore murikira. Hey. Abana bari mu ndege ari babiri, umwe bakabura sindi agasimbuka indege akoresheje parashiti igihe yamuzimanaga. Bahuriye hakuno.
I don't see any more Germans.
Nta mudage nkiri kubona mwana. Cyiza cyane.
You're lucky I was around.
Cyiza nuko narindi hafi a mwana.
I was doing just fine.
Cyena rimeze neza ariko.
You're a pilot?
Uri umupilote?
Yeah.
Yego.
Well, I was until I was shot down.
Nako nawuze ndi umupilote kugera umunsi barasi indege yanjye kagwa.
One that's rescuing you.
Wasanga ari nje narinje kugutabara rero.
Yeah, I was doing just fine.
We ariko nanjye meze neza.
Me right on top of me.
Ni weho wari umeze nabi n'abadage bandi imbere.
Into the war.
Rakaza neza mu ntambara rwa.
Get on your radio and call in reinforcements.
Mwigeze wahamagara ku cyombo ngo hamagara ubufasha se basi.
All you pilots this dumb?
Heko abapilote mwese mwamuri ibigo.
Radio. We don't have near enough range to make contact. And even if
Nari hafi yabo ntabwo nabona ukuntu mpamagara kuri base.
we have half the German army between us.
Kandi kabone nawe byakunda wibuke ko ari abadage bari hariya hirya. Urabyibuka? Sikikari we. Siki.
What are you doing?
Kora ibiki?
Hey.
We.
Stay down.
Kuma hasi mwana. Sikigari we. Hakuno. Kora ibiki?
Still are Germans out there.
We haracyari abadage bari hariya ariko. Badage se mimba bari. Hari n'abantu bitwa abadage b'amadage. Hari n'abantu b'amadage. Yemba mbabona b'amadage mbabona nipo we.
Listen up.
Munyumve mwitonze. Sibyo?
Now the major told me there's nothing we could do for him.
Major arambwiye ngo nta kintu twakorera Hayes. Hayes niwe warafande wabo. Basane. Sikigari we.
Listen, hold on.
We mwitonze.
We can't leave him out there, Sarge.
Ntago twamurekera ari hanze ariko Sergeant.
That's right.
Hayes aracyari muzima.
We just don't have the orders, they say.
Ikibazo nta mategeko badoye yo kujya kumutabara. Sikigari we. Bana hakuno. Dufite kugenda ariko tujya kumutabara.
You know what I say?
Muzi icyo mvuze?
I say, to hell with orders.
Icyo navuga ayo mategeko arakijyaho. Ewan.
We're gonna find Hayes and bring him back.
Tugiye kujya gushaka Hayes tumugarure. We'll find Hayes and bring him back. Hakune wana n'abasirikare babirabura baba bafite umutima w'urugamba.
Now does anybody have any ideas for a plan?
Nta wundi muntu ufite igitekerezo cy'umupango tugiye gukora. Cyenda gifite.
Anybody else?
Undi. Oyaramanika. Hakuno.
Salty. Why are we at the PX?
Trust me.
Sati kuki tuje kuri PX? Wenyizera ariko.
You mean the mail sergeant?
Thomas araza kudufasha. Uravuga mail sergeant tumwe wohereza ubutumwa. Samwana. Ngwino ariko ngwino.
Yes.
Thomas.
You got my money?
Nzani amafaranga yanjye. Menyera mwambuye.
Me?
Jewe.
Oh, your money.
Jewe urimo amafaranga mwana.
You be your own.
Ushinzwe amafaranga yanjye.
Your own people.
Mwana ninjye nitwe abantu bacu ariko turabirabura basi fata ngutema.
Don't stop.
We wihagarika kumereza nandi ariko yampereza. Nayo ngayo mwana. Inyungu se kutazishyizeho.
Take your little $7 then.
Zana nandi yose yampereza.
No money. You lucky it's not more.
Mwana ukunda amafaranga ariko. We.
I count it in my feet.
Uje no kuyambarira mu maso.
Pleasure doing business.
Byari byiza gukorana nawe business show.
Not him. Let's go.
Igendera pano uyu mushenzi nta kintu.
I heard about Hayes.
Nimba ari bya Hayes nabyumvishije nyamara.
What a loss.
Mbega igihombo mwagize.
Damn good man.
Yari umugabo mwiza pe.
What do you know about Hayes?
Hayes umuzi w'icyo wamushenzi. Hayes
around you son.
Zengurutsa amaso ariko umusore.
Look Thomas.
Je amakuru yose mbanya afite hano.
Look, that's why we here.
No mpamvu turi hano. Turakeka Hayes aracyari muzima. Turashaka kujya kumuyiga tukamuzana tukamugarura.
Depends.
Uradufasha cyangwa byaterwa. Byaterwa n'icyo namwe muri bukora. Dukeneye amavuta cyangwa se essence, dukeneye amasasu n'imodoka.
Enough for 2 or 3 days.
Byatumaze iminsi 2 cyangwa 3.
Gear and ammo for 2 or 3 days. That's
imodoka n'amasasu byabamaze iminsi 2 cyangwa 3.
That's a lot of supplies on short notice, gentlemen. with no acquisition orders?
Mwana mwurumva ibyo bintu nabibahereza batampaye amategeko kwe.
Let's go.
Sati twigende. Apana uyu mujinga nta kintu yadufasha.
You boys can use some tank support.
Ariko mubishoboye mwakoresha nka tank akaba ariyo mujyana.
Who is this?
Uyu sewe kandi ninde Rakata Tyrese Gibson yiri umudomo. Ramuzi muri Fast and Furious. Muri Black and Blue muramuzi.
First
Sergeant Wallen Cuss.
Yeah,
muri squad ya
his hangovers up there sometimes.
Hangovers yazamukubisa kenshi.
Pays me good.
Ariko anyishura neza.
Now why would you help us? You trying to kill Crouch, right?
Ntimuri kugerageza kwica Crouch.
But we don't exactly have orders for such a mission.
Twe ntago dufite amategeko nkayo.
I've never been too fond of taking orders.
We umenya mutarigeze mugera kure ariko ngo babahereza amategeko mwisange yabagoza. Wewe.
I know what it looks like, man, but more armor. And we need to.
Ko biri kugaragara ariko mwana twabyaye twabyemera. Dukeneye uriya mugabo ikintu yadufasha.
Suppose you show us these tanks.
Reka tubyemere ko twerekeza izo tanks ahantu ziri izo tank. Hakuno. Hey. Tugiye kujya gutabala Hayes. Uyeyo. Hakuno.
Don't let the size of them fool you.
Sinzi ngo murakunda ingana gute.
Can go pound for pound. Take out the front line in a firefight.
Maze kubyibuhamo Tyrese.
California love. Blood and guts.
Iriya bayita blood and guts.
That's my baby right there.
Iriya niyo baby yanjye iri hariya rero. That's my baby right there. Iriya bayita Aramo.
Oh, I like her. Real men out here. Real men that'll put it all on the line. Real killers.
Hari abagabo nyabagabo barwanishije iriya babicinye banyabo.
2 years in the Georgia.
Mbona wagira ngo irasa nk'icyatsi kuri njyewe.
Swamps.
Mu bishanga byo muri Georgia mu myaka nk'ibi.
In the blistering hot sun.
Amezi 6 izuba rya Texas.
Training for war.
Twitoreza kujya mu ntambara.
9 months training for Germans.
Amezi 9 twitoza kugira ngo tuzangane n'Abadage. Okay?
Follow me.
Nkurikira nanjye. Aje kubatiza nimba ari burende. Cya tanka hariya aje kubatiza tanka.
500 gallons of gasoline.
Amagaro 50 ya gasoline.
Who made that order?
Ninde wayatumye?
That's who.
Nakubaje ninde wayatumye? Shirani byo washyira.
Hold on to that order till I find out what the hell's going on.
Ninde watumye ayo mabido 50 hakuno?
Yeah, we heard about Lieutenant Hayes. Shame.
Twumvishije ibyabaye kuri Leta na Hayes. Bituteye isoni pe.
Wasn't too happy about it either.
Nabonye Led kare ntago yarabyishimye mwibuke Led yagiye gusaba ubufasha umugabo w'umwirabura ngo amutize imodoka amuhereze n'iki n'ama essence. Twese ntawe bishimishije. Pagusinyano.
Anything else?
Sir, you don't know about that missing pilot that Division's been asking about.
Ako uzi wa mupiloto wabuze Division bari kutubaza.
They say he shot down a German jet plane. One of Germany's new
baravuze ngo yarashe indege y'Abadage yishyira hasi.
They say that pilot landed in the same sector.
Kandi bavuze kandi uwo mupiloto yaguye.
Lieutenant Hayes was missing it.
Ari naho Leta na Hayes yaburiye. Kandi mwibuke barangije no kubona na Karebo tayari bameze neza bari good bari poe.
Like this pilot found.
Division yakwishimira ko uyu mupiloto twongera kumubona.
Other search party Hayes could be found.
Well, Division would be pleased, sir.
But there's no way.
Wenda ubwo ari kumwe na Hayes byanaba byiza kurusha.
Division's going to approve redirecting their field artillery one hour.
Ariko nta musirikare turi buze koherezayo cyangwa igisirikare cyane. Usko kugerayo byasaba amasanga 36 ariko.
Got to tell you that
hari ikintu nibagiye kukubwira.
Just confirmed his arrival for troop review before I push into Metz. Didn't you serve with him in Africa?
Nibagiye kukubwira nyakubahwa.
Got to tell you that
nagira ngo nkubwire.
General Patton.
General Patton
just confirmed his arrival for troop review before I push into Metz.
Yavuze ngo ashobora kuza hano mbere yuko tujya guhura n'abari Abadage ngo turwane nabo.
I did.
Ntimwarwananye harya muri Afrika cyane. Hey. Byiza.
A damn fine man.
Mwana yari umugabo mwiza nanjye ibyo nibyo natekereje. Umve.
Well, thank you, Sergeant.
Wakoze Sergeant we. Wakoze. Wakoze. Safana. Yo karamu nyigwaye nka gift yigumane. Smith.
Me line to the 3rd Army.
Ndagira ngo mabagare 3rd Army. Sawa.
My Jeep.
Agire n'umuntu nzanira Jeep yanjye, nzanira imodoka yanjye. Umbe hakuno.
Not trying to.
Mwana uri guteza urusaku.
Just avoid the thick stuff. In the woods before?
Aya mashyamba yamazemo igihe kingana wigeze uyageramo na mbere nabaye mu mashyamba yo muri Central Park muri New York mujinga we.
It's not the same thing, city boy.
Hano ntago ariko bimeze wa munyamugi we wapi. Hano ntago ari Central Park, hano ni mu ishyamba. Hano harimo amasasu y'umudage aragukubita isasu mu muhumetso ugahumekera inyuma.
Bandit Mill up the road.
Tugiye kujya muri Random Mill tuzamuka twerekeza ku musozi.
No, we're not close.
Turi hafi yaho basi wapi. Turacyari muri Nyungwe twaguyemo hasi muri Kamira Nzovu kugira tuzagere ku muhanda n'intambara. Hako iteka mwese muba mumeze gutyo. Kone ngaho yakavuza atabirabura nuko mumeze bandos. Abirabura?
No.
Bucha.
Make ground pounders, leg boys like yourself.
Ntabwo mvuza abirabura, mvuza abantu bagenza amaguru nkawe.
Goodbye, city boy.
Byiza city boy.
Good luck.
Bye kandi unime.
Dumbass before you get me killed.
Ngiye kugutana mbere yuko unanyicisha mushenzi we.
Hey, get back here.
We garuka hano.
That's an order.
Ni itegeko nguhaye. That's an order.
An order?
Tegeko.
I follow orders to ensure mission success.
Nakurikije amategeko kugira ngo imisi irangire. Sibyo?
Orders to save a life.
Nakurikiza amategeko kugira ngo ntabare ubuzima bw'umuntu.
Let's follow orders that will willfully get me killed.
Ariko ntago nakurikiza amategeko ngo bize kurangira mbipfiriyemo.
Trying to get you killed.
Ntago ndi kugerageza kukwicisha ariko wapi.
Goodbye, Lieutenant.
Bye, Lieutenant. Goodbye, Lieutenant.
And don't follow me.
Nuna nkurikire wa mushenzi we. Baride shumurika. Nyuma jeuka. Kuma mako. Hoya, sorry. Cyoni Kuma mako nago yabirimo.
Alright, giddy up,
Kumbe hakuno.
Major Anderson, 706.
Major Anderson.
First Battalion.
Muri bato ya 761. Nene kuvugana na general hakuno. Joraje kuvuga general.
I'm gonna need you stop right there, sir.
I've seen old
Nene kuhagarara aho ngaho nyakubahwa.
horses move faster than that.
General.
General we.
Sir.
Afande.
You lost, son?
Wayobye mwa.
Anderson, sir.
Major Anderson.
61st Battalion.
Kuva muri bato ya 761.
Expect a lot from those black tankers, Major.
Narinzi yuko ari babirabura bagendana na za tanka bari buze kumbe ni wowe.
I served under you, sir.
Twarakoranye nyakuba.
Kashuin Pass.
Muri Gashuini.
Command B.
Muri Command B.
1st Armored.
Muri Amadi ya mbere.
Gone and Manfield's 15th Panzer, sir.
Twari dutwaye 15th Panzer n'ibiriya bitanka nacyo byo babyita za Panzer ya 15.
Good.
Anderson. Bitekerezo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hell of a fine job you did with those boys in there.
Mwana noneho mise nibuka ibintu twakoze turi muri Apene 1. Bakoze akazi keza.
They're damn proud to have you.
Thank you, sir.
Shime bari abirabura ko bagufite mu Rwanda na
I have a request.
Barakoze nyakuba ariko hari ikintu yangiye kugusaba.
Divisional Artillery this evening. Bridge section 843.
Goro bushiza rukuntu byagenze gutya. Sakure hakuru.
We're regular Stonewall Jacks. I am counting on you and your boys to get us into Mets.
Yiteguye ko we n'abahungu muri kumwe muzamfasha tukagera kuri bari abadaje. Muzantererana. Oya nyakuba.
Thank you, sir.
Urakoze nyakuba aranamubanira.
All right, giddy up, goddammit, let's go.
Sawa mwitegure tugire tugende. Sinyira ibyamusinyira.
Here we go.
Hakuno. To.
Kansas' last known position?
Aha niho hanyuma bababonye.
Now I suggest we take Fagan Roadway.
Tushatse twaca muri Fagan Roadway.
Down this rail line here.
Tukohereza tanka igacamo hano.
Convene at this junction.
Zikaza gura muri iyi rompwe muri junction.
That rail line should be just fine.
Nyamara bagende ku murongo umwe nibyo byaba ari sawa.
What about the Germans?
Hanyuma sabadaje. Turagenda
nijoro. We might help confuse them.
Byanadufasha tukanabacana.
Snatch and grab stewards provide service to protect us from the crowds.
Nagira ngo tuze kugira gute dukora igishoboka icyari cyo cyose kugira ngo tuze kwirinda turindana ubwacu twirinda abanazi clouds.
0-1100 departure.
Turaza kugenda uyu munsi nijoro 0-100 ubwo ni saba zuzuye.
Don't be late.
Ntimukerererwe, don't be late.
Always on time, son.
So
how
much is this favor going to cost us?
Ibi biraza kudutwara ngerere yifavero dukoreye.
I decide that y'all make it back.
Ndaza kubifata umwanzuro ni mugaruka. Barabizi yuwakora diro zirimo ibiceri gusa.
You can count on.
Menye neza yuko turi bujane mwana turajana munyizere. Bagore namwe bagaba. Nimwangize ibi. umwangiza ibintu. Kumbe hakuno bamubwiye ati ntunankurikire kugenda nimba uri kuri campus ko ari kugenda yinjira muri landmine ntari kubibona to Hassan we wa mujinga we ntunyeganyege.
You're in a minefield.
Ugeze muri minefield wa mushenzi Kigali.
Look back into your last step.
Ikirenge cyawe gisubize aho uwakivanye. Yaragiye gukandagira mine. Humeka. Tuza.
Okay?
Okay.
What are you doing?
Kora ibiki?
We're gonna come on and get you.
Jiye kuza nkuvana aho ngaho.
Bring you back to safety.
Karuke neza ufite umutekano. Ariko nje ndikwabona. Wapi? Ntabwo ibisasu byose uri kubibona wa mwana wewe ntabyuzi. Ntabyuzi. Hinja kuno aho bagira.
I don't want to see anyone here slacking. Come on, move, gentlemen.
Tugende kandi mukire vuba.
Sergeant.
Sergeant.
Major.
Major.
Mail drop off, sir.
Mail drop off.
I hope we can still.
Hari ubutumwa ushaka nohereza.
We have.
Nakira ariko ndakeka wamfasha. Rebe hano.
Make sure that's delivered on time.
Umenye neza ko ubwo butumwa bugendeye ku gihe.
And on target.
Kandi bugeze ku gipimo cyabwo. Yego nyakubahwa. Hakuno arabana na wafande. Bahise bamu ubutumwa ari bwohereza uyu ni ushinzwe gutanga ubutumwa.
Let's go.
Tugende. Kujya gutabara fande wabo Hayes.
How's it coming?
Beze bite mwana?
It's like old Thomas make good on his promise.
Nk'ubushize nyine Thomas se subizi ko yadusezeranyije nyine. Kiraho.
Oh shit.
Kigali we.
This don't look good.
Ibintu ndabona atari sawa. Rwanda vayo. Abana.
This mission is unauthorized.
Iyi misiyo mugiye gukora ntago nayibemereye.
Let you leave.
Niyo mpamvu ntari bubareke ngo mugende.
I'm afraid we can't do that, sir.
Ndagira ngo muhite mureka ibyo muri mu mbabare ariko ntago twabikoranye kuba. Kujya gutabara fande wabo w'umwirabura. Tunegoze iyo tonarene.
If you do this, there's no way in hell.
Ibi nubikora nta n'inzira izakugeza ikuzimu.
Division's gonna prove your bad.
Nta n'uburyo tuzigera tugaragazamo ko
That's what it takes.
warwaniye mu rugamba kugira tuguhereze n'akantu k'agapeti twari kukwemerera. Niba ibyo ari cyo biri buze gusabanya kuba.
Don't you want to be an officer?
Ntabwo ushaka kuzaba officer se ngo uba fande. Don't you want to be an officer?
Accommodations in this army for Lieutenant Hayes.
Kabone nawe ubyansaba kugira ngo ntanga umwanya wanje muri iki gisirikare ariko ko bwa Hayes. Nabikora ntago nje amapetisiyo ndwanira. Nibyo natekerezaga sha.
You got 24 hours.
Ufite amasaha 24.
Courtesy of General George S. Patton. I'm sorry, sir.
General Patton niwe wabyemeye. Wari nyoko. Ntago ndi kubyumva. Genda ushake Yesu mugarure.
Find an American pilot out there.
Nimuza kubona n'umupiloto w'umunyamerika uri ayi. Nawe mubagarura ni mubazane. Bisa nkaho bwafanda bemera babwiye ati nari bimugende mukora akazi. Ntuze kunera na fande abadirinje nyina nawe yagiye gusinyisha ibyandika ibukuru. Cyageka.
I'll be damned.
Mwana uzi n'ikindi nabwo na misiyo yemewe n'igisirikare tugire bataragira bakagira tujye mu kazi. Bana hakuno kumbe hakuno dodo. Hayes na wa mupilote.
It's best to keep your mind from thinking about it.
Ikiza ntubikomeze kubitekerezaho. Shaka ikindi utekerezaho. Okay? Vuba. Ageze muri landmine field.
Got one more thing to my case.
Ikindi kintu kimwe nari nsigaranye.
My wingman.
Wingman wanje.
We got him killed.
Naramwicishije mwana. Wa mugabo barashe.
I tried to take on this new type of German plane.
Nagerageje gushyira hasi no ndege nshyashya y'Abadage ngo ni ya drone.
This fool is really.
Byari ubugoryi mwana. Ahagaze muri landmine umenya yanayikandagiye.
Should have listened to you.
Nakabaye narakumvishije Mike. Wa undi batangiranye. Niye batangiranye.
He intercepted that German plane.
Gutera hano.
He got shot.
Yararashwe.
And died.
arangije arapfa mwana. Got shot, dead. Ashano vanamo landmine yari irimo hano, vanamo mine uyu yagiye yirukanka nta n'ibyo azahari. Sirikare warwanira mu ndege.
A friend of mine once told me the best thing you can do in war.
Hari inshuti yanjye yigeze kumbwira ngo ikintu kizakora mu ntambara
It's not fair.
ni ukutagira ubwoba. Is not to fear.
You just gotta let the cards fall where they fall.
Ujya ureka ibintu bicaho byagaciye n'ubundi kama mbaye.
What happened to Mike?
Ibyabaye kuri Mike
It wasn't your fault.
ntabwo byari amakosa yawe mwana umusa. Yeah. Rero
Just make sure to stay on the path that I just made.
ndagira ngo umenye neza ko uguma muri iyo nzira nakoze, ukomeze ucemo aho ngaho tu.
It's this way. Chill.
Gake gake ngwino nyine gake gake bucice mu gace. Rinje muri minefield tabizi. Subira inyuma. Numbe hakuno. Numbe hakuno.
Next mile and a half on my demand.
Abaje gutabara heyesi. Kuri cya burende do. Hanukanye icyo bita burende tanka. Hey.
Listen up.
We muretse mwumve mwana.
On my command,
Nimba bwira ngo mukore iki?
we're gonna make a 90-degree turn.
Turahita dukata muri dogere 90.
On my
Mayiro nkeya.
command.
Kandi ninjuri mu bayobore muranyumva.
Let's go.
Tugende. Hakuno. Hey. Samenya kuri bamwita Tyrese Gibson. Yagukiniye Black and Blue. Yagukiniye Fast and Furious zose kuva kuri rimwe kugera kuri X yejo bundi.
Hi.
Thomas. Vuyeyo.
I said I would have the money. I'm gonna have the money.
Narakubwiye ngo nzakwishyura mwana.
You just have to realize.
Look, just shut up, okay?
Zibari kwa mutima.
Artillery barrage on grid section 473.
Ndagira ngo unjane ubutumwa kuri grid section kane karindwi gatatu.
Problem.
Sana kibazo.
Authorization.
Ufite uburenganzira mujinga we. Ndabufite.
This is not from division.
Ariko ubu burenganzira nago mani iki cyandiko nago cyavuye muri division. Cyavuye kwa General Patton.
Call the general yourself.
Urashaka umwamagara? Muhamagare nyine nimba ushaka umwamagara.
Everything seems to be in order.
Yeah, I know.
Ibintu byose ndabona bimeze sawa.
Things is new.
Ndabizi nyine.
Oh, one last thing.
Hari ikindi kintu kimwe gisigaye. Fata hakuno nimba ari sardine. Bigira nk'utabibonye. Bombe niho yabitse ibicu.
Wonder how that got in there.
Aka mafaranga nayo kuzayakwishyura mwana. Wa mujinga we.
It's my money.
Na amafaranga yanjye ntwara yabara neza. Byiza. Amusigira yasigaye.
Interest.
Ntwaye n'inyungu. Yagurcha. Hakuno. Hey. Ebe. Bageze hano ni babiri, ni pilote na Yotona Hayes. Hakuno.
You waiting?
Yeah.
Uno umugore wawe yego mwana. Ifite umutwe ari umeze nk'agatsima ka kawunga kumbi nayo yifite umugore hano.
Come back to me was the last thing she said to me.
Yarambwiye ngo genda uje mu ntambara uzagaruke nicyo kintu cyanye mu mugore wanjye. Ni mwiza mwana urakoze umusa. Hakuno bahuriye mu rugamba.
She wanted to get married before I shipped out.
Je yashakaga yuko dushyingiranwa mbere yuko nzinaha. Sinari nzi ko nzasubirayo. Niyo mpamvu ntabyo muramukunda.
I do.
Cyane ndamukunda mwana ya I do. Ndamukunda.
I should have never left you back there.
Sinari kuba nagusize cyagiye mwana. Ububwire ngo ntunkure. Babarire. Niki cyatumye ugaruka ku ndebe? Menye narindi gukurikiza amategeko koko. Nibuke Karegezi kumubwira ati umve n'inyuma wa mujinga we.
Robert Hayes, Frank Ross.
Zinanje banyita Reyes, Frank Lay, nani Robert Reyes. Banyita Frank Lloyd. Biza guhura nawe mwana. Akuno. Uba baje kubahiga do. Hey. Baje kubahiga. Baje kubahiga. Do. Jeri imbere baramubona nimba ari umudage.
Repair station set up in the town below.
Bisa nkaho hari repair station iri imbere hariya mu mujyi.
They should be sitting ducks.
Ari abajinga bakabe biti.
We go in our triangle formation.
Tugiye kugenda muri triangle formation, tugiye kugenda dukoze
right.
Hampande shaka.
Okay, you move Alamo down to the left. California.
Bamwe mu giburyo abandi bumoso. Genda abaza imbere. Tse hagati imbere ku kuntu tugiye kugenda. Akuno. Hey. Aya. Iminsi nakora filime.
Keep your eyes wide open.
Komeze mucane ku maso. Keep your eyes wide open. Iri ku kuntu dukora akazi. Hebe. Akuno. Akuno.
Direct orders from General Patton. The artillery attack at coordinates NG, DG, and 1900.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Fire mission! November, Golf, 1-8!
November, Golf, 1-8!
AG, fire for fact!
Fire for fact! Akuno. Shiro gutya.
Hard left.
Hard left. Bahita babacaniraho. Patara. Mudage.
Fire!
Bamukubise bamutunguye. Mudage akibitekerezo. Zacyo wari wapariye inzira. Wari warigize akarakaje. Bamukubita bamutunguye. Bagiye kujya gutabara pilote na Lieutenant Hayes. Aba bacamo. Bahita bakomeza. Hey. Akuno. Icyo bita amasasu. Wowe. Yeah. Akuno. Icyo bita isasu. Hindura burende. Hakimu niwe wamenyemo muri iyi filime kugira ngo ikorwe. Hakimu ngo mujye mumuha respect. Hakimu abamuzi baramuzi. Sinabaye nimero ziwe. Unushaka iyi filime n'indi nkayo jya mwandikira. Akuno. Ebe.
Hey, we got company.
Mwana uzira ikindi. Ikibazo. Got a company.
When did they get here? Just now. I don't think they know we're in here though. Time to go.
Mwana bageze hano gute ndakeka bazi ko turi hano. Tugire tugende. Show. Bahita baco. Umbaba nabo. Hakuno.
Over here.
Hano mwana.
Hey, right here.
Hey. Igererezaho. Vayo. Sarge.
That road's about 15 yards beyond that bird.
I don't see it on the map.
Dukomeje kugenda tukarenga yadi nka 15 tukagera inyuma iriya. Hashobora kuba hari inzira ko ntari kubibona kuri map.
It's there.
Irahari ariko nyizera fan.
Better be right.
Kiza ubuvugisha kuri wa mujinga. Kiza ubuvugisha kuri. Akuno. Show. Mumbe hakuno umudage nawe do.
Commanders, spread out.
Bakomanda mwese mutatane.
Take and destroy the enemy tanks.
Gende muhige tanka z'umwanzi muzishire hasi. Umudage yari afite igikoresho cyo gihe. Mu kidage. Bashora kandi. Igikoresho. Icyo bita igikoresho. hakuno bombi hakuno hejuru bafite n'indege y'umunazi y'umudaji daji kirere indege buri irindwa mu reka jugujugu drone ibiki irindwa mubi mu rugamba hakuno
Creasy, can you hear me? Over.
Kunyumba over.
Baker.
No, guys.
Beka.
No sign of Creasy.
Not yet.
Kimenyetso cya Kesuri kumva wapi?
Hey, check in.
No.
Hese ari kwitaba wapi?
You let me know the second you hear anything. By the way, Sergeant.
Nugira ikintu mwumva uhita umbwira yego Sergeant. Hakuno.
Hey.
We.
473.
Traffic 473. Shiraho.
Are you out there?
Red one, coming over.
Red one, coming over. Nakumva over.
Red one, anyone out there, over.
Hari umuntu uri kunyumva cyangwa? Sati. Kiza kongera kukumva mwana nari mbizi kukiri muzima.
We're at the old red mill in grid section 473.
Turi muri old mill grid section 473 rimwe. Ndi kumwe n'inshuti yanjye.
Do you copy?
Nanyumva over.
We're located at the old mill in grid section.
Ndasubiramo ukumbi byari kuvuga umudage ari kumwumva. Hey!
70C!
Grid 473 mugira tugende. Umudage ari kumwumva. Gasani. Umudage ari kumwumva. Kire tugende mwana. Umudage ari kumwumva. Kureba ariko nta kintu mbonye. Arababona bacaho. Kiraho.
Here and here.
Hano na
Down this line, we should locate him.
tugiye kugenda tumanuke hano tuhite tubashakira hafi aho ngaho hanyuma tse Chris
Fortify our position here and wait for him. You ready for anything? You got it.
mwitegure buri kintu cyose tugiye mu rugamba mwana iyo mikino yindi muyireke hakuno kumbi indege y'umudage mugende gake basore mukomeze mucane ku maso to twaye igikoresho Calm the surface bose muhazenguruke kumbi indege y'umudage ski musubira inyuma bita sasu indege y'umudage I'm on the 50 muncungire mbereke hey zamuka hejuru kuri mashini gani fire cyo bita sasu son of a bitch mashini gani hakuno aba barabibona indege z'umudage ibi bintu ntabwo ari sawa
We got the bazooka?
ya bazooka urayifite
Make sure Ali grabbed it.
Let's get it ready.
umenya neza grab nani drug yayijyanye okay muyitegure kuko dufite ikibazo we've got a company mwana uzi
Grab the bazooka, okay?
Yeah, okay.
kintu usa n'iya bazooka okay hakuno hey hakuno indege z'umudage igihe umudage yari yarigize akari akaje mu ntambara batarajya kure fire bana babiri bagwe mu mudage bamwishoramo karabaye usiri ikindi baza kwitsimba hakuno
We can't stay here. I'll cover you. Go!
naremeze bite ntabwo twaguma hano wegenda nkomeze ngucungire aba bakiraho bumva amasasu nabo byumvishije inshuro zikubye ebyiri ahubwo double time byumvishe kabiri hakuno hey shyiramo ka magazine mwana agiye kubayobya uhita ucika oya njye nawe turagumana sawa Dodge baje fire hey masasu barongera baritsimba sasa arabashirana fata ngutemo utiza icyuma fata ka piste hakuno ka pistori bari babacomye habura rimwe ritanga abiri karabaye masasu mu ishyamba barayumva ikintu uri kuba abataje bari kumanuka baza ku muhanda mureke twitegure let's get ready guys reke twitegure hakuno hey chega kibucice bitsimbye hano
let's lay pass
uretse babanze baceho bapasinge baceho badenge hano fata nimba ari igitiyo nimba ari iki nonaha tugire bataragira ahita mutera kumbe barabafite Daje arabafite Shunza arareba yitonze to hey ayari tanka z'umudage barazibona to uzi n'ikindi mutegereze sinyare yanjye cheka muje kutumaza iki barabafite babafashe babazanye hano bombe bari kuzirika imigozi abo ubwo tayari nukubica tu badage bakwicaga noneho banakumanitse ntago bajyaga batunga icyo bita POW prisoners of war fungwa z'intambara we nawe urumva ryabyimbye se ndimena yewe tugire Shira ngwino Kidaje
Get the fuck off of me.
Tane ibyo bintu byanyu by'ibiganga we nibikora mwana
Get the fuck off of me. Hey, you piece of shit.
Temu nchenguke bagiye kumumanika heyesi uramenye
That's the best you got.
Cheni chaji fonti kizo ufite umuntu w'umugabo naye bavuna imbavu bazimena dachi kaya maramashe chinguka kuri no nago mwamumanika mwana heyesi bari kumujana mu mugozi
Do it now.
Amaboko hejuru nona babagira ageze tayari bahagire mu gihe hey kuba bwari bwamurenze umuntu w'umugabo kubona umusirikare arira nk'uruhinja sha yari amarira y'abasirikare yagutera mu mwaka yabuze umuntu utaramenyereye kurira umuntu buba warakaranze ijisho nonaha faya umudage maboko hejuru navuze ngo amaboko hejuru shatu urwane gipfunsi nk'abagabo umugabo ndamuzi gipfunsi n'umugeri uyu mugabo jewe ahita batamuzi baramuzi ndwanyi nziza muri kickboxing ndwanyi nziza vana icyuma shinziwe bande bari bamwishe heyesi umuzirike umwana umusa koze umusa hano hari abari mu rugamba bahanganye n'umudage hanganye n'abato basukano faya tanka z'Ubudage baziri bubi. Budage hakuno garutsemo hano.
How we doing?
Sounds like a winner.
Imeze bite? Bisa nkaho turi gutsinda nkurikije uko ndi kubyubuka. Saa byiza cyane. Biraza gufata nk'umunsi wose sahajya kubaho.
German assault. I repeat, we're at Kate Field and are holding back a German assault.
Who's this?
Lieutenant
Ross.
Lieutenant Frank Ross.
That pilot everybody's been looking for.
Wabona niwe wa mupilote bari guhiga. Niko mbitekereza. Byiza cyane shafata imbunda. Koze.
Let's go.
Tugende. Let's go. Tugende. Za mwana base. Munyumve neza mwitonze. Tugiye gutwara imbunda zabo tubareke.
And are holding back a German.
Set up some mortars. Hit him with artillery.
Mwana mushireho za motozi mu barashushe artillery.
Send the third platoon in to mop up.
Kandi muhita mwohereza bato ya gatatu. None amujyohereza none send the third platoon. Hey, hakuno. Masasa agiye kudushirana mwa ibaza amasasa bashiranye n'Umudage bari imbere. Hano aragukubita kikarenga umufana. Hakuno. Kumbe burende ya USA. Nyana yimbwa. Nasamani nyana zimbwa batwike. Faya! Ha! Kubisi gisasu.
On my count.
Nimba barakubara. 2 gatatu kabiri rimwe. Grenade babatamo. Bahita babinjiramo. Budage ba muri bubi. Budage bari muri bubi. Budage ba muri bubi. Yicara muri burende. Yicara muri tanka zabo. Hey, inawe kuri mashini gani. Budage baramutunguye baramukubita shaw. Bakira we. Tanka turapfuye. Imbere na tanka bazuka. Ya. Pa. Bamutamo. Faya. Chabiti nambara. Fire. Budage kubise. Budage baramukubise. Hey. Sigaranye moto yonyine ahantu. Budage baramukubise. Soke mwijinga. Vuyeyo. Yarakaye.
I've been finishing myself.
Ndaje mbyirangiriza. Yinjiye burende. Hakuno. Kigali we. Private neba mwana. Hey, hakuno. Fata igisasu. Basuka. Tamo hakurya. Hey. Lieutenant. Ibi ntabwo twakomeza kubigumisha gutya. Fata imbunda. Reba ku ruhande. Hey. Hakuno. Bahita bicomeka akamodoka bacaho. Bakomeza urugendo kandi nta gutinda mu nzira. Hey. Rebe. Filime witonze akantu ku kandi. We hakurya we. Ni Yesu aragarutse afande we. Wabonye afande agarutse. Afande bamubonye agarutse ni Yesu. Hakuno. Byaba ari ikibazo naba ndaburije mufata umuriro wanyu mwana. We mufashe umuriro wanyu. Hakuno.
Got it over here.
Kamodoka bakikava mu baragataruye. Mwana bare. Baruri mu mashyamba. Tank iri mu mashyamba. Budage. Get ready on 3 mwitegure. Nimara kubabarira gatatu yarayibona mu mashyamba. Kigali we. Tugiye kubavana muri iryo shyamba mwabajinga. Fire! Pa! Gisasu! Come. Hey.
Where's it coming from? That was an 88. There's a tiger in those trees.
kiriya gisasu kiturutse muri dogere nka 88 bihishe mu mashyamba. Nyone yimbwa son of a bitches. Fire mubarase ubavane.
Take us out into trains.
Mwana uzi n'ikindi tuvane mu mashyamba. Uriya nawe nibyo yashaka, yavuze ati ndashaka kubavana mu mashyamba, tuve mu ishyamba, tuve mu ishyamba. Musoni hey vuye mu ishyamba. Safande hese we bamugaruye, pilote bamugaruye, agafoto ka Shushu Bey. Amayirafu nyina wa Jambo, kibanda ari ba nyina wa Bango. Yego yego mwana heya. Yeah!
Defensive positions!
Defensive position! Nana twitegure nk'abagiye kudefanda! Bana! Bratay! Gira tugira batarajura! Tanka ya mbere barayishusha fresh! Bayimanura hakuno! Manura tanka! Indi nayo ivayo y'Umudage ivayo! y'Umunyamerika pfaya! Mubatemo! Babatemo! Babashitura ku ruhande! Kandi y'Umudage nayo ntirasa amashaza! Barika neza! No! Fire! Fire! Dusasu kuri tanka! Nta kintu twakora! Hey! Hakuno! Umudage atuje! Atuje ahindura umututu w'imbunda wa tanka ye, dore icyo bita umututu. Turabirangiza. Mwana mukomeza mujye imbere, forward! Hey! Indege z'Umudage tayari! Dore indege y'Umudage ngiracurama! Red one over baraduhaye! Umudage bamutamo! Umudage baramukubita! Agarutse umunwa w'imbunda, agarutse umunwa wa tanka. Tanka barayihaye, tanka barayihaye. Nyagasani generali bamuvanyeyo, nani liyetona hesi na pilote bamuvanyeyo. Mu midege ari y'Umudage. Yeah, ready tells man. Negro pilot zira zitwawe n'abirabura abahungu banje. Hakuno Hasani Kinga baramuhaye yaramurwaye, yambwiye ati kugirana n'abafashe n'ukuriye mu Caritas tuzamushyira hasi. Baramuhaye hey baramuhaye to tanka y'Umudage nguko uko yasigaye. Tanka y'Umudage nuko yasigaye.
You are the first Negro tankers to ever fight in the American Army.
Ni mwebwe tanka ya mbere y'abirabura ibashije kurwana mu gisirikare cya Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika.
If you weren't good.
Ntabwo twari kubibasaba iyo mutaza kuba murenze.
Nothing but the best in my army.
Nta kindi mfite usibye abahanga mu gisirikare cyawe.
What color you are.
Sinitaye ku ruhu mufite.
As long as you go up there.
Igihe cyose mwiteguye kujya imbere mukarwana, mukica bariya Abadage zirenya na zimbwa. Twese tubahanze amaso ndetse tubiteze mu byinshi. Ntituzigere dutererana abo bose baduhanze amaso, ntimuzabatererane. Nanjye ntimuzantererane ngo cika amazi mwana. Hakuno bajya bavuga ngo
to die for your country.
Ngo nibyo umutima ukomeye kubapfira igihugu cyawe. Patriotic nyine ubugwanira igihugu gikunda.
Let's see how many patriots.
Reka turebe ngo dufite ba patriots bange cyangwa se intwari za kwitangira igihugu zigiye kwica bari abakaritas b'Abadage. Hakuno na pilote bari bamugaruye. Tairi 910 move yeah bana hakuno bana hey iza gisirikare ni muzivuge bazabakurura bazabakwega. Ndi umusirikare ahubwo mu ngabo zihe ingabo za Yesu.
This is him, sir.
Uyu nyakubahwa n'uyu nguyu hakuno vuyeyo. Tyrese Gibson nyir'umutomo baramuzi, barebye Fast and Furious muzi neza cyane. Sergeant Cassie,
I understand from my men.
Nakumvishije abagabo banje bakuvuga.
I wouldn't be here.
Ntabwo nari kuba ndi hano uyu munsi. Utaza kuba wowe. Respect bundi ukwiriye mu maniga. Wa mugani wa Bulldog ati bimbuza guheza mu bajuniya ubwo ndi sini hakuno amutereye isari rebe umusirikare yakoze ibishoboka wakoze mwana wakoze afande na afande nawe na afande yongeye ahisha akawunga ke n'agatsima k'akawunga ufite umutwe umeze nk'agatsima subira mu kazi let's go back to work hey. dusubire mu kazi avuga ko na filime yacu ari uko igenze bahitaga come out fighting ntabwo irarangira we bereka hano
Now you look like a proper officer.
unone urasa na officer wa nyawe sha hakuno mubanire iki byose ande
That's thanks to you, Lieutenant.
shimwe ni ryo Lieutenant we wangaruye bagiye kugusubiza mu gukora mu kirere se bakohereza indi ndege
Got one more plane to make ace.
hari izindi ndege ngomba gutwara ntabwo nshidikanya uzabikora sinzigera nibagirwa wantabaye tabaye mwibuka uyu nguyu indege yari yaguye irimo itangira indege yari yaguye uziteho mwana muvandi nawe uziteho G nawe uziteho ebe hakuno hey kiraho kumutwara ubwo bamujyane muri Air Force siose hakuno bana bari barwanya urugamba bari barurangije filime sinzi ariko nje sinzi hakuno yegeze umunyamerika Salad Tales zabaga zifite imirizo itukura ndako filime yacu ari uko igenze bahitaga come out and fighting banyitaga karasharamye urumva none tubonane muzikurikiye Close Kellan Lots muhitinzi baramuzi tubonane muzikurikiye ciao bye bye